M88 Drone Operation Tutorial. Unpacking the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connect the battery. Connect the power supply. Red light stays on during charging. Automatically turns off when fully charged. Remote controller charging demonstration. Connect the remote controller. Connect the power supply. Charging indicator stays on. Pre-flight preparation. Remove protective film. Insert memory card. Install drone battery. Place drone on level surface. Press and hold to power on drone. Then turn on remote control. Remote will automatically pair with drone. Calibrate gyroscope by moving joysticks outward. Push left joystick up to unlock drone. Push again to take off. One touch takeoff. Ascend. Descend. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Backward. Fly left. Fly right. Press obstacle avoidance button. Drone enters obstacle avoidance mode. Long press to enter fine-tuning mode. If drone drifts left, adjust right. If drifting forward, adjust backward. Long press to exit fine-tuning mode. Speed switch. 1 beep indicates low speed. 2 beeps indicate medium speed. 3 beeps indicate high speed. Press the roll button and move the right stick. Drone performs a 360-degree roll. Enable headless mode. Drone will treat the controller's direction as backward. Exit headless mode. Long press to move backward. One-touch landing. Motorized camera adjustment. Short press the photo button to take a photo. Short press the record button to start recording. Short press again to save recording. Press the return button to view saved photos and videos. Press the return button to return to the video transmission screen. Long press to switch to the remote control camera view. Connecting the app. Scan the QR code in the manual to download the corresponding system app. Long press to power on the drone. After downloading, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Once connected, open the app. To view the transmission feed,